manual palpation. So bimanual palpation is used when you're assessing these very inner organs like the spleen, kidneys, yeah, and you can see how it's being supported. Okay. Light palpation, this one is help in identifying tenderness, superficial organs and masses. Palpate with light, gentle dipping, and these are about 2 centimeters. Okay, deeper 4 centimeters and above. That's when you're talking about the deep palpation. Okay, great. Then you can have the 5 F's in a distended abdomen. Okay, flatus, fat, fetus, pregnancy, yeah, feces, fluid, okay, abdominal pain, okay, great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We've come to the end of our video. Please remember to subscribe so that you can get similar videos. Otherwise, thank you.